What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video, and today we're gonna be doing a little car customizing. Want to get a couple MOPAR things right on my Hellcat, and I also got my homeboy Scatpack in here. If this is the first time seeing me on the screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, and drop a comment. Let's go. Heads up, man.
Toe tap.
Oh yeah, and we finna put the side skirts on this car over here, man. Finna go red side skirt. And I already changed his 392 bad, back from yellow to red. Now what you gotta do is calipers. Yeah. Alright, that's bad. Boy, you took that all dumb quick.
Bro, I just said the same thing. I said, damn.
My boy does not bullshit, man. He in that hot.
Ugly.
Oh, my boy helping out. Okay then.
He definitely know what he doing. Hey, you need me to hold something too? I will.
No, I'm just trying to figure out like this placement.
Okay.
You gonna make a new hole?
I'm about to say, yeah,
I won't reuse the hole because that hole's walled out.
Yeah, but I had that same hole. We got to think the same hole been there for 3 years.
About 3 years?
Yeah.
So we working in progress, you know.
Yeah.
We working in progress, man. We done got the side skirt on this side on here, man. Get my boy right. Still gotta put the other side skirt on. Now we got my little man in action, man. Hope he don't get nervous with the camera. Let's go.
There you go.
There we go. There we go. Good job, boy.
Yeah, go to the next one.
Good job, boy.
We doing, hey.
That boy can't do nothing but smile, bro.
It's his favorite car, so that's why I'm doing.
Hey, for surely.
What you talking about? Ooh, me?
Nah, they hit. I mean, shoot, they hit favorite car, bro.
Oh, he like Scat.
I had him write a whole essay, like, you know, some break, I'm gonna make you do a little schoolwork. Once, you know, give me a little paper or something every day. He wrote a whole fucking essay on Scats and Hellcats and demons. He likes the demons. His favorite's the demon.
Yeah.
All right, so we got my boy Scatpack in here, and what we've already done, I haven't been able to really record. I've been trying to get down to business. So he had the yellow brake calipers, and he also had the yellow side skirts. We replaced those yesterday. I redid the 392 logo back to red. We switched his Scatpack logo from the Scatpack to the SRT in the front. Now you see we got the cone jack stands that we're gonna paint the calipers red. And we've also installed a wicker bill. So when I say we, I'm really talking about my homeboy, which is my mechanic. He's been also helping me along the side. He's gonna be pulling up later on today. He's been helping me out with a lot of this stuff. It's always good to have a helping hand when it comes to working with cars, bro. So he's been my handy right-hand man, so I definitely appreciate him. This is a big shout out to Wicked Wrench. I know he's not Wicked Wrench right now, but still Wicked Wrench in my eyes, because that is what is on the back of my car. You know, you feel me. So also we're gonna be putting on the side skirts for my car as well. So we got these right here. Yeah, got the side skirts going on my car. And then these are his wheels and tires right here. He's got the bronze wide body 2 wheels that are gonna be going on this car that are bronze. Those are pretty tough, actually. I kind of see them in there. The boy's getting a whole transformation with his Scatpack, and I definitely want to give a big shout out to him. Appreciate him for giving me the faith to let me handle most of the stuff on his car. So right now I'm sanding down the brakes, man. Y'all can see them. I'm getting to it. Trying to go ahead and have everything sanded. Getting ready for the primer and paint so I can go ahead and mask things off. So, you know, we'll do a little time lapse, let y'all see what I got going on, man. Let's get it. progress, man. Now I got this one sanded. And then we also got the other one sanded down, ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill the other side real quick, real fast in a hurry. And then we're gonna be ready to take them up. Oh, then we're gonna wash them again. Actually, we're gonna wash them again to make sure all the dirt, the debris, and grime is off the caliper from me sanding. I'm gonna wash them. Then I'm gonna tape off and prime. So we on the side, we making some progress. Whew. I want y'all to know it's about 102 degrees out here, man, but now we got all everything matched off. Good and ready to go. Y'all know who done pulled up to help me, man. The man, the myth, the legend. We got 3 more to tape up, man. Once we get them taped up, I'll pick the camera back up, but I want y'all to see one so y'all can see how professional we is. And another thing, it's dumb hot. I want y'all to know that. It's dumb hot out here, man. Sweating bullets. I think I need to stop saying them, boy, because, you know what, I ain't gonna say that. Alright, y'all, so we done put the new mod on the cat. I think it's okay for now, but I think I'm gonna paint it. Especially with this side, because there's not that much red over here. So there's kind of a little weird compare and contrast, maybe. So what I'm probably gonna end up doing is painting it to match this logo. And kind of just a lot more yellow to the red on this side. Now you come over here, a bit hard. Okay, we good, we Gucci. This side hit because there's a lot more red over here, especially with the eyeball right here. It's a lot more red, but I'm still probably gonna end up painting to match my emblems. I think once I do that, it'll kind of balance itself out, make it look like it's riding on some fire. Just a little simple mod just to do it. You know, it's not a mod that can hurt or kill anything. We can just unscrew and literally take it off if I need to, but I'm gonna leave them on there for now because, like I said, this side I like. This side's smooth, but the other side, I don't like the other side. All right, so all in all, today it's been a pretty good productive day, man. We got the side skirts on the cat, and we also got everything sanded, cleaned, and taped off on the Scat. Now we just got prime. I'll be able to prime tomorrow. So I hope y'all guys have really enjoyed this video. That's going to be all for this one. Hey, next video we're going to be painting and priming and getting everything set straight. We're going tomorrow also to get his tires and wheels mounted up, and also going to get my Hellcat aligned as well. Y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And until next time, stay safe out here. Bless up.